Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we will come with another interesting topic in Meta ads, and that is how to create audiences, like different kind of audiences. We have a audience manager tool which is provided by the Meta ads manager. With the help of that particular tool, we can create multiple audience, like the people who have engaged with our website. If you want to create audience of the people who have engaged with your Instagram page, who have engaged with your Facebook page, who have had to cart the product but didn't purchase, who have checked out the product, and that kind of different audiences. If you have a custom list, like if you have an email list of your audience, you can also create an audience with the help of that particular audience management tool. So in today's video, I will give you a brief about that particular audience manager tool, so that in case if you need to create any kind of audience, you can do it at your end as well. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. First of all, you just need to go to your Meta ads manager dashboard, and here you just need to go to the all tool section. Once you click on it, you will have different option available at the top, like the ads manager, events manager, audiences, billing, payment, business settings, commerce manager. So today we have discuss about this tool, audience manager tool. So once I click on it, it will redirect me to this particular dashboard where we can create different kind of audiences, and once those audiences being published, after that we will able to use that particular audience in the campaign. As in our old video, I have already told you how we can use that kind of audiences in our campaign. So it will take some time. Yeah, now we are on the page. As you can see, I have created a lot of audience here because this campaign is running for at least 3 to 4 years. So we have tested a lot of things in this particular audiences. So you don't need to worry about that. So after that, what we need to do is, first of all, we just need to see the option, like the create audience option. We need to go there and you need to click on the create audience button, and after that they will give you two options: custom audiences, lookalike audiences. So today we are talking about the custom audiences. So what I can do is I will create a custom audience, and once I click on it, it will give me the different options available, that are website, customer list, app activity, offline activity, catalog, video, lead form, instant experience, shopping, on Facebook listing, Facebook page, events, and Instagram account. So these are the options which particularly given by the audience manager section, through which we can create different audiences. Like let's start with the first one, the website one. If you have a website, like let's suppose this is our website which we are running ads for, and as you can see, the pixel is already implemented on this particular website. So if you have already implemented the pixel, then you can use this option to create audience that is interactive with your website. Basically, like once you click on it, you just need to click on the next button, and once you click on it, it will give you the options. Like this is the pixel, you need to choose the correct pixel which is implemented on the website, and after that it will ask you for the events, like which particular event what you want to retarget the people who have just landed on their on your page, like website page. So you can use page view content. If you want to target people who just want to add to cart the product but didn't purchase, you can use the add to cart audience, and after that you will also create an audience for people who have initiate checkout, purchase. So these are the options which is provided by the website category in the audience manager section, where you can create multiple audience with the help of that, and then you can use it in your campaigns as well. So after that we have a customer list option. So what is customer list option? Basically this is an option with the help of that you can create an audience with your own data. Like if you have a Shopify website and you have at least like 1000 purchase in the last month, and you have the mail of all the person who have purchased your product, and you want to create a lookalike audience with that. So what you can do is you just need to create a custom audience before creating a lookalike. So with the help of these options, you can just write the mails on a notepad file, just a simple note file, and that you can click on the customer list, and then you just need to upload the same here. As you can see, I got upload options. You need to save it to your computer and you need to add it here. And once you click on the next button, it will create the audience for that particular list. So you have that audience in your meta audience manager, and you can target them for your campaigns. It means if you want to retarget the people who have already purchased the product through your website and you have the data of it, you can use this particular audience option to retarget them. So this is how customer list option works. And after that, we have the video views option as well, through which you can create a video audience as well. And by saying video, I mean to say, if you have any video that you have posted on your Instagram or Facebook page and you want to run a particular campaign for those particular audience who have seen that video, only the persons who have seen that video, so you can use this option to create an audience for that. That is given in the audience manager section. You just need to click on the video, and after that, once you click on the next button, it will ask you for the choose engagement. So you can target the people who have at least view the video for 3 seconds, 10 seconds, 25% video. So all those are option. If you want to target the people who have seen the full video only, so you can use this option, people who viewed at least 90% 5% of the video. So this is how you can after that, you just need to select the video as it is on the Instagram account. So you can choose it, the Instagram account. You will get the option here and you need to confirm it. Once you confirm it and name the audience, like I will name, you will have the option of create audience. So we have created a audience for the people who have seen this particular video in the last 365 days, and we can target them in a separate campaign. So if you want to create that kind of audiences who have seen your video, you can do it with this option. So now we have run the options for video as well. After that, lead form. If you are running an instant lead form campaign on your Facebook ads manager and you want to target only the people who have filled that form, and you want to retarget them and create a particular audience for that particular people, so what you can do is you can go to the lead form type in the custom audiences section in the audience manager, and you will click on the next button, and here it will ask you for the lead form, which particular lead form you have named it. Once you created a lead form campaign, you will create a external lead form and name it. So as you need to choose that particular form here as well, so that it will create the audience for the people who have filled that particular form in the ads. So I will choose, like, let's suppose I will choose this one. This is the form which I have created, and I want to target only the people who have filled this form. So I will choose it. After that, I just need to add the days, like for particular days you want to create that audience, and after that you just need to name it like form audience, and then it will give you the option to create audience. So this is how we create a audience for the people who have filled the form through instant lead form campaign. So these all the audiences are very useful if you want to run some retargeting campaigns. So after that, we have the option of Instagram account. So if you want to target the people who have engaged with your Instagram account and by any means, just they have typed your Instagram account and like interact with any kind of post on your Instagram account, so you can easily target them with the help of this particular audience. We just need to use this one, people who have engaged with your professional account, and it will retarget all the people who have seen your Instagram profile by any means. And by same, you will add the days here, name it, and you will get the option to create that audience. And in the same way, you can do it for Facebook page as well. In the same way, you will create that audience as well. So this is how we create audiences in the audience manager section of the Facebook ads account. And with the help of this particular tool, you can do retargeting campaigns, new campaigns to retarget that particular audience who have interacted with your website. And you can also create some audience for the people who have purchased the product from your website and you want to retarget them. So all those things will be done through this particular tool. I think now you have understand why we use the audience manager section in the Meta Ads account. And if you have any query and concern regarding that, you can directly contact me through the number flashing on the screen. So thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye.